Scorpion brand celebrates its anniversary with one of its most exciting projects yet, the new Abarth 600e. What makes this new Abarth model the most powerful ever? It all comes down to its core components, including Abarth's own e-motor. Tested on the Formula E test bench with a real track simulator, this new Scorpion sets a new standard for electric hot hatches, with the highest power output ever seen in an Abarth. The Scorpionissima accelerates from 0 to 100 in just 5.85 seconds, while the Turismo follows closely at 6.24 seconds, making both models quick and responsive on any terrain. With 345 Nm, it delivers thrilling performance along with a range of up to 334 km in the WLTP combined cycle. Both versions of the new Abarth 600e feature 3 driving modes. The Ultimate mode, Scorpion Track, is designed for peak performance on track days. It brings aggressive acceleration, sport-tuned steering, and a dynamic ESP setup, pushing the limits with a 200 km/h top speed. In this mode, the Scorpionissima delivers up to 280 horsepower, while the Turismo reaches 240 horsepower.